Welcome to Simple Software Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the details section of a Jira Story, this area right here. If you want to use custom fields, those will need to be created first, along with a field scheme. So if you haven't done that yet, I have info on that down in the description below. Let's get started. First, we'll want to navigate to Space Settings. Click on the Settings icon up here, and then Spaces. From here, locate the space on the list, click on the three dots in the space URL column, and click on Space Settings. From here, we want to navigate to Work Items. That's in the left sidebar menu, and click on Work Items. Then click on Layout. From here, you'll want to find the work type that contains Story. So it's this first one right here on my screen, and then click Edit Work Item Layout. Here, you'll see the same content that we are about to customize that goes right here in the story. So earlier, I created this list of custom fields that I would like to include in my story details, so I'm just going to go through this list and add these things to it. So you can either scroll down, or you can just start typing, and once you find it here, you can just drag it down to where you'd like it to be. Now I want the start date to be above the application date. I'm going to add the closed date and the closed reason right next to each other, since those will probably be done at the same time. I'm going to add interview date after the application date, since that's the order it'll probably go in. Job type I'll put up just a little bit higher, and then number of attachments, number of comments down lower. And then days since last comment, since I'm storing my activities as comments, that's going to indicate how long it's been since I've had any activity on this. So I want this to be a little bit higher, maybe up above job type. And actually, once I enter the job type, I don't need that front and center anymore. And then the last thing I want to add is time and status. Put that up here right by days since last comment, since that's also something that I want to draw attention to. And once everything looks good, click on Save Changes. So now this says that it has been updated. Last thing we want to do is check and make sure that it has actually done what it says it's doing, or at least what we think it's done. So I'm going to go back to my Kanban board, and I'm going to refresh. I'm going to click on the story to open it. And then over here on the right-hand side, I should see those new fields that I added here. Just make sure that everything that you wanted there is there. If anything's not, you can go back here and make any adjustments if needed. But now all of these things should be where you expect them.
I hope this was helpful. Subscribe for more tutorials and visit simplesoftwaretutorials.com for step-by-step guides and free resources. Thanks for watching.